Natisha, what happened in court?
Well, Nancy, there was this big lead up to this secret that was going to be revealed by Casey Anthony's former boyfriend, that is, Tony Lazzaro. Now, the jury was led out of the courtroom, so being in the courtroom, you're thinking it's going to be a big reveal. And then he gets on the stand and he says that Casey Anthony revealed to him prior to Kayleigh's disappearance, prior to us knowing about Kayleigh's disappearance, that Lee Anthony had felt her up. However, he was not successful in that. The defense went on to further ask him, what about her father? What kind of abuse did her father do to Casey Anthony? And he said he interpreted it as hitting, as discipline, as when she was a young child.
Unleash the lawyers. Daryl Cohen, former attorney for Jesse Grund, Tom Mom's fiance, joining us out of Atlanta. Meg Strickler, defense attorney. Daryl Cohen, they really had a huge buildup for this guy you're seeing right now, Tony Lazzaro, and the big secret. In fact, they tried to ask Lazzaro the same question over and over, and the judge stopped them on state's objection that it would be hearsay. The big secret was going to be, we find out when the judge sends the jury out, that she tells Lazzaro, I guess one night in bed after Kelly goes missing. Remember, Daryl, they stayed in bed the whole day. The whole day, never opening the bedroom door within 48 hours of Kelly disappearing. I guess that's how grieving mothers act. They lay up with their boyfriend for 48 hours straight. Anyway, back to Lazzaro. So they send the jury out, Daryl. Here's the big secret. Pins and needles. They go, didn't she tell you her father and brother molested her? He's like, no. She said her father hit her when he disciplined her, and the brother tried to feel her up, but it didn't happen. That's the big secret. That's what I've been waiting on, Daryl.
Nancy, it seems to me like it's much ado about nothing. I don't understand why they brought it up. I don't understand why the jury went out. I do not understand why they ever mention it as a large secret. It's not a secret. It's of no meaning. It's of no probative value. The evidence doesn't help. It doesn't help anybody. It's just much ado about nothing. It's dumb. It's dumb trial tactics.
So, Meg Strickler, not only did it turn out to be false, they are stuck with it. They told the jury in an opening statement that the whole reason she acted the way she did for the 30 days after Kelly disappeared is because she was in denial, because she was a sexual molestation victim because of her father and brother. And this is how they were going to prove it, Meg.
And this is a big fat oops for the defense. I mean, you really need to know what's going to come out of these witnesses before you put them on. And he's saying, well, he felt you up and then didn't really succeed. That statement in and of itself, one way or the other, makes no sense. Because how do you not succeed in filling somebody up? That doesn't even make sense. So this has hurt the defense profusely because, again, you put that out as the opening statement and you need to hammer it over and over and over. And they didn't succeed with this witness at all.